Now, introducing to you first, the fighter from the blue corner, wearing the black with white trunks. Official weight, 115.5 pounds. Ladies and gentlemen, this will be his first fight as a professional, and he is the fighting pride of General Santos City. Introducing Tata Villanueva. And his opponent, the fighter from the red corner, wearing the white trunks of Ringmaster Boxing. Official weight, 115 pounds. Tonight, he's also made his first fight as a professional, and is the fighting pride of Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental. Introducing Marvin the Band Suba! He's 4 rounds of boxing in the super flyweight division.
Ganyan.
6 rounds din ba, no?
Yan yung anak ni Pacquiao.
Puro man ito na dahil. Na, uy. Isa to.
Bay? Grabe yung sulat ng umbang, bay. Kitnak, bay?
Nilagay na, gamay sa piyo. Nice! Uy!
Tara!
To! Pak!
Tara!
Saya ka to eh.
Kami at
Kami ito sundan, no?
yang lagoy. Sapaw yan daw. Timing, bay. Timing ang puti, bay. Timing.
Kung ano yung tagakuhan?
Timing ba? Timing taga
Cagayan. Pak! Nice!
Ah!
Isa pa!
Ah! Eh!
Grabe, maya mo. Maya mo timing ba? Nah,
Ah!
putus ko. Pak!
Ah!
Kaya nga.
Ah! Langgat na! Lado pa na! Ah!
Pak! Isa pa!
Ah!
Pak! Isa pa!
Ah! Ah!
Okay! Loko eh.
Ah!
Loko eh.
Ah!
Ala!
First round. We are going via knockout. Roger